Chief Conservator of Forest Longzam Joy Kumar launched Asian Waterbird Census at Ramsar site Loktak Lake today. The annual census is jointly conducted by Department of Forest, Directorate of Environment and Climate Change Manipur and Loktak Development Authority. Park and Sanctuary DCF Amit Kalar, DFO Bisnupur Wycom Ramabai, Manipur Bird Club Vice President K. Jugeshwar, Bisnupur RFO Moirang H. Gitchandra, and RFO Bisnupur M. Nilamani attended the inauguration, among others. As part of the census, officials visited Laisoi and Takmu areas surrounding the Loktak Lake for on-site bird counting. A Hongai bird earlier rescued by volunteers from Manipur Bird Club was also released into its natural habitat by Chief Conservator Joy Kumar. Speaking to media, Joy Kumar emphasized the vital role of waterbirds in maintaining wetland ecosystems and stated that the health of a lake is reflected in its waterbird population. He called for collective efforts to conserve Loktak Lake and urged the public to protect and care for its bird life.
Siberia, Russia, Mongolia, China, kilometers 1,000 laga say the well and sing the secretary was sing a selection of set, who say he was a mutton locks of gas never. So I in burning tongue cannot see not talk to with them performance in a much active luxury, sometimes silent, a masabla woman. Say couldn't a queen. Ningon sa ko di loy ka ningon sa ko with the ningon sing laga when a pizza bitakana patana tauraga thahati ibasing le hui bising adu nungai hair never go aduna ekoi ningon sing dun in a country see sing a separi base mo padana niti jana ngapi semina tauraga ang mapamlam dam da halang si ekoi nungai na lesi